गेला कशाला बाहेर दीदीच्या मागे थांबा
तेरा हर वेले दिन रात गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। मेरी बनी रही जी बात गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। मेरे बदल गए हालात गुरुजी शुक्र करा, मेरी बन गई बिगड़ी बात गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। मेरी सुन ली तू अरदास गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। सरताजों के सरताज गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। कट गई अंधेरी रात गुरुजी शुक्र करा, हुई अमृत की बरसात गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। मेरा जीत लिया विश्वास गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। मेरे अंग संग बस हो आप गुरुजी शुक्र करा, जन्मों की बुझ गई प्यास गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। शुक्र करा गुरुजी तुहाडा शुक्र करा। तेरे नाम हुई हर सांस गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। तूने हर पल दिया मेरा साथ गुरुजी शुक्र करा, खाली न गई दरखास्त गुरुजी शुक्र करा। सरकारों की सरकार गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। सत्संग करवाया आज गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। गुरुजी घर आए आज गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। जागे सोए हुए भाग गुरुजी शुक्र करा, जो खाए तेरा प्रसाद कहे तेरा शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। तेरा प्यारा लगे दरबार गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। तूने इतने किए उपकार गुरुजी शुक्र करा, अरदास गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। शुक्र करा गुरुजी तुहाडा शुक्र करा, शुक्र करा गुरुजी तुहाडा शुक्र करा। रोते को हंसाया आज गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। दिए प्यारे से लम्हात गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। मिली सुखों की सौगात गुरुजी शुक्र करा, मेरी सुन ली तू अरदास गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। तूने बेड़ा लगाया पार गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। सुख चैन की हुई भरमार गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। तेरा मिल गया आशीर्वाद गुरुजी शुक्र करा, सबके तुम पालनहार गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। ओम नमः शिवाय, शिवजी सदा सहाय। ओम नमः शिवाय, गुरुजी सदा सहाय। मुझे आपसे कहना है आज गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। आज बस में नहीं जज्बात गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। मेरी अखियां नम है आज गुरुजी शुक्र करा, आई शगना वाली रात गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। ओम नमः शिवाय, शिवजी सदा सहाय। ओम नमः शिवाय, गुरुजी सदा सहाय। ओम नमः शिवाय, शिवजी सदा सहाय। ओम नमः शिवाय, गुरुजी सदा सहाय। शुक्र करा गुरुजी तुहाडा शुक्र करा, शुक्र करा गुरुजी तुहाडा शुक्र करा। तेरा हर वेले दिन रात गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। मेरी बनी रही जी बात गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। मेरे बदल गए हालात गुरुजी शुक्र करा, मेरी बन गई बिगड़ी बात गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। मेरी सुन ली तू अरदास गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। गई प्यास गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा, शुक्र करा, गुरुजी तुहाडा शुक्र करा। तेरे नाम हुई हर सांस गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। तूने हर पल दिया मेरा साथ गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। खाली न गई दरखास्त गुरुजी शुक्र करा, सरकारों की सरकार गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। सत्संग करवाया आज गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। गुरुजी घर आए आज गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। जागे सोए हुए भाग गुरुजी शुक्र करा, जो खाए तेरा प्रसाद कहे तेरा शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। ओम नमः शिवाय, शिवजी सदा सहाय। ओम नमः शिवाय, गुरुजी सदा सहाय। तेरा प्यारा लगे दरबार गुरुजी शुक्र करा, गुरुजी शुक्र करा। तूने इतने की
Welcome to the evening session. Before we start today's beautiful session, just wanted to get confirmation if you can hear us properly and if you can see us so that we can start with the session. Good evening Preeti, Shaheen, Meenakshi ji, Tapasya, Ross, Priyanka, Surendra ji, Sudhakar ji, Pavan ji. Very welcome to the evening session, today's special session on Guru Purnima. We celebrated yesterday across India one of the biggest festival called Guru Purnima. Thank you Pavan ji for confirming. Suresh ji, very welcome. Before we start today, just wanted to remind you that today we are going to say thank you to all our teachers, our gurus. Hirani ji, Sasi ji, namaste. Preetha. So, before we start, first we will say thank you to all our gurus. Right from our childhood, the first guru, our mother, our father, then our teachers in school. But unfortunately, once you grow adult, you have married and you have kids. Kiran, Ahilya, welcome, Rajesh ji. Unfortunately, somewhere along the line, we lose the touch with our gurus. And that's a part of life, but that's okay. But till the time the teachers were there, till the time the parents were there, we had such a blissful life. So today we are going to first thank them for everything, and we'll understand why Guru is very important, who can be your Guru, what Guru really means, and what is the importance of having Guru in one's life, and how to decide which Guru is for you. So it's without Guru, many people get lost in their life and nothing is left in the life after some time. So let's see that today, but before doing that, we'll chant Am 3 times and we'll chant the mantra, Guru mantra today. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly let it go. Keep your back straight. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly let it go. Good evening Sujata. Good evening Trupti. I am very happy to see you. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly let it go. With next long and deep breathing, we will chant Am 3 times. Take long and deep breathing. 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 Slowly let it go. With eyes closed, repeat after me. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुदेव नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Slowly, slowly open your eyes. Today we are going to celebrate Guru Purnima by thanking all the teachers, starting from our mother, which is our first guru in our life, our father, our school teachers, and then everyone, all the experiences we had, they are also our teacher, good or bad, all the friends, enemies and everything who have contributed to our life till today, who to make us who we really are, a better version of our own self, is not only because of the good things happened in our life. There are people, there are events which has taught us in a difficult situation, but in other word, they are also our gurus. So we are going to thank in today's meditation, in thankfulness, we are going to thank every one of them who made us who we are today, and we are going to understand what is the difference. Now, most of us like me who are in this age category, we have achieved almost everything in our life, but then there is a certain emptiness or certain there is loneliness in us which never feel complete. So at this stage of our life, because when we were children we had teachers, mothers, fathers, everyone as a guide, as a mentor, but when we grow adult we take everything in our hand. That is good, that is a part of life, but there comes a time when we get tired of our own mind, we get tired of our own body, and we tried so hard to bring this completeness, but it never comes. All the desires we want to fulfill, but then we feel that after fulfilling this desire we'll feel complete. But only Guru can make you I came to know this long back, and I hope you also will come to know, because only near the Guru you will find all the happiness. And why? Because he teach you, he is not the this thing, he just teach you that whatever you are looking inside, that happiness, that blissfulness is inside you, and he shows the way to go to that that blissfulness which reside inside you. And once you know, once you walk with him and he shows you where that whoever which shows that the inner divine which is inside you, that is real Sadguru. And I was very fortunate enough that couple of years back I got face to face with my gurus, and I was blessed with many gurus. Actually, I went to many gurus, and I cannot explain the importance of having guru in my life, because I think whatever I am today, because of all those gurus. Now many people ask who is the right guru. Wherever you feel connected, wherever you feel loved, wherever you feel that no, this is the place, your inner being will tell you one day that this is the right person. Wherever your heart becomes soft, wherever you feel complete, that is the place of your real Sadguru. So whenever you get that kind of opportunity, don't miss out, because in this world very few are the fortunate ones who will really get the blessings and really reach out to the inner divinity inside you, apart from whatever we are doing in day to day life, if you really want to depart this planet earth with fulfillment, with contentment, with smile on your face, and leaving behind the legacy of that peace, one must have a guru in his life. We see children today not respecting parents. We come from an Indian background where we grown with respecting our elders and such a beautiful culture. But when I come here and I see how kids are behaving, how the people call them by each other by name, it's I don't see it's bad or good, but I love my culture and I love the way we used to treat our parents and the way still we address our elders. So there is nothing like that, and I want to continue that here, that parampara. That's why all the celebrations like Guru Purnima, one should celebrate at their home. Whoever you, mother, father, you put, don't have to do anything. Put a frame or put a one diya and just pray so that kids can see that you pray to your guru, you pray someone, you just don't run the riots on your own ego. They see that you bow down to someone. It's so necessary to teach that humbleness to our coming generation. So I hope we all do that. Let's start with the today's session, and at the end of the session we will do thankfulness meditation today, to thank everyone in our life. And let's start with the kriya. Those who are joining first time today, what we do here basically is to find the inner peace and find out how we can achieve that in our day to day life, and trying to make our day to day life beautiful. Nothing more, nothing less. We are not looking for any miracle, or we are not trying to do something great or achieve something great. All we are trying to do is to achieve a beautiful and blissful life every day without any stress. That is the aim of all the sessions, and we do that by being mindful of all our actions, accepting the present moment. We understand that our mind is a crazy monkey which jumps from this place to that place, and those places is nothing but past or future. And in this session we try to learn how to live in present by doing mindfulness activities and bringing our mind home, which is inside the body. Usually our body comes home, but our mind never comes home. It keeps going out here and there, and that is why we cannot feel that bliss and peaceful which we are born with. In this session we try to train ourselves, and for you I have a good news that Westmeet session starts on 26th of July, 5:30 to 6:30, and I am going to open, but there is a limitation on the people. Only 20 people can come in that session. It's not me who decides. So very soon I am going to open the bookings, and it is first come first basis. I will open that every Sunday. So my humble request to you guys, you can make one day, no matter where you live. People come from Blue Mountain, no matter where you live. Sunday 1 hour with me, face to face. That is all you will require for rest of your life. All the appointment you can do, but you have to give me 1 hour of your life every Sunday, 5:30 to 6:30, from 26th of July. And you will be rest assured that there is nothing in your life you will regret for. 1 hour once a week, not big ask for yourself to do. Alright, so mark down 26 July, and I will open the online booking very soon. Alright, and I will share the link in the WhatsApp group and Facebook. So make sure that you book your sessions in advance. Alright, so let's start with the Kriya. In Kriya, what we are going to do? We are going to do short Kriya, then we will do Pranayam, which is Bhasrika, Kapalbharti and Anulom Vilom, followed by thankfulness meditation with a heartfulness, so that we thank all our teachers and gurus. So let's start with short kriya. Be mindful of your hand movements, be mindful. Do not create any resistance to all the sounds which is not pleasant. Accept the present moment as it is. Do not create any resistance to any unpleasant sensation. Let everyone do their work and we will do our work. And we'll train our mind and body to be like that, to accept the present moment as it is. Close your eyes, take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Now, mindfully turning your neck towards left as much as possible. Feel the movement of your neck. Then right palm coming to your cheek. Press your cheek onto the right palm, feeling the touch of your palm, heat sensation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand coming down, feel the movement of your hand. Then neck going towards right, feel the movement of the neck. Anchor your mind onto the present moment, palm going to the left cheek. Press your left cheek onto your left palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly palm going down. And the neck coming towards center. Both the palm going to forehead. Feel the pressure. Press your forehead onto the palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back of the head. Feel the pressure on your palm. 1. Push your head onto the palm. 2, 3. Agna Chakra. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly both the hand going down. Mindfully feel the movement of your hand. Again neck going towards left. Keep your mind anchored into present moment. Go as much as possible till you feel the stretch, and then feel the touch of your palm onto your cheek and press your cheek onto the palm, feeling the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. Feel the movement of your hand going down. Then neck going towards right. Feel the movement of your neck. Then palm going towards your cheek. Press your cheek onto your palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. Yes, it is going to start. Somebody is asking if it is going on Scout Hall. Yes, it will start on Scout Hall. On the front, forehead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back of the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. Now Vishuddhi Chakra, which is throat chakra, will take our chin down to the chest, and from right side will go up. left side coming down. Slowly, slowly and mindfully feel the rotation. Then going up opposite. Chakra deals with truth, often blocked by lies or unsaid truth. Coming to center, then again going back. Again going down. Going back. Going down. Going up. Going down. Again going back. Feel the movement. Very good. Now both the palm on your knees, making 360-degree round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Feel the palm on your knees. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now for Anahata Chakra, which is heart chakra, very important chakra represented by two triangles, one going upward, one going downward. Because of the grief, misunderstanding, not able to process the things, not able to respond to things, we create so much hurt in our heart. What happens if there is a blockage in our heart of hurt? Energy goes down, not up. So we feel that mechanical life. When again we open this heart chakra, we'll see that life is becoming more beautiful like it used to be in childhood, because in childhood we used to forgive lot. In childhood we used to ignore lot. But we have developed this sickness or weakness where every small thing now we take it to our heart and close our heart. So let's do Kriya for Anahata Chakra. Both the palm onto your thigh. Press your thigh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whole attention towards your heart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll do Manipuraka Chakra, which is below heart chakra, 1 inch above the navel. What we are going to do? Take our forehead to our left knee and feel the energy just above our navel. Start. Going up, then going in center, going up, going right, going up, again going left, going up. These chakras has a dormant energy. They are in everyone. If we use the energy, there are many magical things happen in our life. So those who are doing rigorously, they would have already noticed what miracle it brings in our life. Center, goes back, again towards right. So from 26 July, you will be able to do live with me in Scout Hall. Go down, go up, go down, go up on the right side. Very good. Now we'll do full circle. Feel the full circle from left, center, right, going back, again coming down. Feel the rotation. Anchor your mind into the present moment. Create no resistance or create no resistance to sensation. Become mindful of all the rotations. Hold your knees opposite. Feel the rotations. Become aware of your breath. Become aware of your clothes touching your body. Anchor your mind into present moment. Let the peace and bliss enter your body. With this, the energy chakras, when they get activity in your body, you will see that the old pain gets dissolved. Emotional pain, physical pain, all start to lose grip on you, bringing contentment, fulfillment, happiness and blissfulness. On your own experience, not because I am saying it. I have examples of hundreds of people who had told me how blissfully their life has changed. Now we'll do Swadhisthana Chakra. Open your left leg, put your right leg onto the left leg, pressing your knee onto your chest. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now opposite leg. With the gratitude filled heart for all our teachers, our mother, father. Today's Kriya do with very heartfulness and with gratitude for everyone who added teachings in our life, and we teach our kids how to be thankful to all the teachers. Because when we bow down to someone, it's not that the guru is important. The student loses its own ego, which is the main reason of all the miseries in our life. When ego comes, everything goes out of the window. Now we'll do Shishupalasana. That's why in India we were taught to bow down to our elders. Why? Because it used to kill the ego. But nowadays everyone has become God and they suffer their ego. We don't suffer outside world. We only suffer our ego. That's why all our culture, traditions, all our things, they were developed in such a way that we have a beautiful and blissful life. Every small rituals we learned in our childhood, they had deep meaning into it. But nobody told us that meanings. Today we understand what are those deep meaning, and we are going to keep them alive. Kiss your baby on toes. Now opposite. How we are going to keep them alive? Not by teaching anyone. We are going to be an example of it. We are going to follow the things like that. We are going to do things which our children will look that their parents are doing, and then they will also do, because children will never listen to us but they will copy us 100%. Kiss your baby on the toes. The last one is Titli Asana, which is also called butterfly pose. Titli Asana, butterfly pose. After this, we will do 3 types of pranayam, conscious breathing, followed by meditation. Thankful meditation, heartful meditation. Both the leg going down, going up as much as possible, going down as much as possible. Going up as much as possible, going down as much as possible. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. In last Guru Purnima, we celebrated in Westmead Hall. Unfortunately, today we could not celebrate that. I had pictures of all my gurus across the front stage, and we prayed to all the gurus. One of the beautiful sessions. Guru Purnima is one of the best celebration I do every year, but this year, unfortunately, we were not able to do it. But we got a good news on Guru Purnima yesterday, that our Westmead Station Scout Hall starts on 26th of July. Up, down, up, down. Alright, relax. Now we will do some pranayam. In pranayam, we do 3 types of pranayam. One is Bhastrika, one is Kapalbharti, and followed by Anulom Vilom. What is the importance of pranayam? Because our mind goes on and on and on whole day. What it does, we have lost the ability to see how we are breathing, because every body cell requires oxygen, and somehow we have developed this technique of shallow breathing. We don't take enough oxygen. We are not conscious about our breathing. So when you do pranayam, what you do basically, you put a lot of oxygen into your body. What it does, it revitalizes your body on cellular level and takes out all the toxins. So even if you are very busy, you are not able to do anything, at least do 3 pranayams every day for 20 minutes. If you are not able to do kriyas, not able to do meditation, but at least minimum 3 pranayam every day will also help you lot in building your immunity, fighting all this mental weakness, not sickness. Let's start with Bhastrika. In Bhastrika, we'll keep our mouth closed and both the hand beside our shoulder, and with pumping hand going up, breathe in, breath out, 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 breathe in, out, in, out. Keep doing fast. Breathe in, breathe out. Long and deep breathe in. Relax. Both the palm onto your lap facing sky. Both the palm facing sky. Feel the sensation on your open sky. Eyes closed. Take attention to your head. Feel the revitalization process inside your head. Experience everything. Again, one more time. Both the Hand beside your shoulder. Breathe in. Breath out. Breathe in. Breath out. In, out, 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 out, in, out. Keep doing. Let the oxygen in, carbon dioxide out, happiness in, stress out. Relax. Feel the revitalization process in your brain, in your body. And suddenly you will realize when your mind, body, and energy is aligned, suddenly you will see the peace entering into your body. Take your attention to your nostrils. Watch your breathing. One more last time. Breathe in. Breath out. Breathe in. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. In. Out. 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 In, out, in, out. Keep doing. Relax. Keep your back straight, eyes gently closed, neck little bit tilted up. Become aware of the peace surrounding you. Become aware of all the sounds surrounding you, creating no resistance, just becoming observer without creating any mental dialogues or monologues. Just observe everything surrounding you. Observe the silence. Observe the sound of silence. Observe all other sounds, creating no dialogues, just observing as it is. Kapalbhati, only exhaling through your nostril, keeping mouth closed. 30 times in 1 second interval. Start. Relax. Take your attention to your ears. Try to listen to silence. Become observer of your body, become observer of your mind as a third person. We start again. Kapalbhati, only exhaling out, exhale all the carbon dioxide out, automatically the oxygen will come in, revitalizing your body. It's also called exercise for inner organs. Relax. Become aware of the immense peace surrounding you. Become aware of availability of all this peace and blissfulness surrounding you. When you tune your mind and body, you can receive as much of peace, as much as blissfulness you want. Just acknowledge this availability of peace and blissfulness. One more last time. Start. Relax. Acknowledge the peace surrounding you. Become aware of the silence surrounding you. Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. Put your right thumb onto your right nostril. Take long and deep breathing. Put your left pinky finger and exhale through right nostril. Take long and deep breathing from right nostril. Exhale through left nostril, closing right nostril. Again take long and deep breathing. Close. Exhale through right nostril. Take long and deep breathing. Let the breath go out. Use alternate nostril, taking long and deep breathing. Long and deep breathe out. Take long and deep breathing. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Take long and deep breathing. Take long and deep breathe out. Take long and deep breathe in. Take long and deep breathe out. Take long and deep breathe in. Relax both the palm now. If you are wearing glasses, remove your glasses. We don't need glasses while doing meditation. Both the palm on your lap. If you want to stretch little bit, stretch. Next 10 minutes we will be sitting in meditation after chanting mantra. Close your eyes. Repeat after me. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the body. I am not even the mind. I am not the thoughts. I am not even the emotions.
I'm not the thoughts, I'm not even the emotions.
Body keep changing, mind keep changing, thoughts keep changing, emotions keep changing. I never change. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the thoughts, I am not even the emotions. I am not the thoughts, I am not even the emotions. Body keep changing, mind keep changing, thoughts keep changing, emotions keep changing. I never change. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind.
I'm not the body, I'm not even the mind.
Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. With next long deep breathing, we'll chant Am 3 times. Take long and deep breathing. Am. Take long and deep breathing. Take long and deep breathing. Sit relaxed, back straight, neck little bit tilted up. experiencing the silence surrounding you, experiencing the bliss surrounding you. Take your attention to your nostril, watching natural breath coming in, natural breath going out. Don't take breath. We are not doing pranayam. We are just watching the natural breath coming in, natural breath going out. Those who cannot feel the breath, just take 2 to 3 long and deep breath, conscious breathing, and then again start watching natural breath. सारा ध्यान नासिका के द्वारों पर केंद्रित करते हुए नेचुरल सांसों के आवागमन को जाने। सांस आ रही है, आ रही है, आ रही है, सांस जा रही है, जा रही है, जा रही है, बस इतना ही जानना है। एंकर योर माइंड इनटू द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट by watching natural incoming breath, natural outgoing breath, without judging it. If it is long, let it be long. If it is small, let it be small. Don't try to change it. तो सारा ध्यान अपनी नासिकाओं पर। सांस लंबी है तो लंबी है, सांस छोटी है तो छोटी है, जानते रहे। द ब्रेथ इज कमिंग इन, कमिंग इन, कमिंग इन। द ब्रेथ इज गोइंग आउट, गोइंग आउट, गोइंग आउट। वेरी सिंपल टेक्निक बट वेरी इफेक्टिव टेक्निक टू ब्रिंग योर माइंड इन टू द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट on experiential basis, understanding the nature of our mind. Keep your attention steadfastly fixed at the entrance of the nostril. सारा ध्यान नासिकाओं पर केंद्रित करते हुए हर एक सांस के आवागमन को जाने। Some of you might notice the breath is coming from right nostril. Some of you might notice the breath is coming from left nostril. Some of you might notice the breath is coming from both the nostrils. Don't try to change it. Just observe. If breath is coming from right nostril, let it come from right nostril. If breath is coming from left nostril, let it come from left nostril. If breath is coming from both the nostrils, let it come from both the nostrils. Don't try to change it. Just become observer. Breath is coming in, coming in, coming in. Breath is going out, going out, going out. जानते रहे, निरंतरता पूर्वक जानते रहे, होश पूर्वक जानते रहे। एक भी सांस बिना आपकी जानकारी के अंदर आने ना पाए, एक भी सांस बिना जानकारी के बाहर जाने ना पाए। एक एक सांस का पहरा होता रहे, एक एक सांस की पहरेदारी होती रहे। ब्रेथ इज कमिंग इन, कमिंग इन, कमिंग इन। ब्रेथ इज गोइंग आउट, गोइंग आउट, गोइंग आउट। जानते रहे, निरंतरता पूर्वक जानते रहे। सांस की पूरी लंबाई को जानते रहे, बिकम अवेयर of the entire length of incoming breath, entire length of outgoing breath, from start to finish, finish to start, जानते रहे। सांस आ रहा है, आ रहा है, आ रहा है, सांस जा रहा है, जा रहा है, जा रहा है, breath is coming in, coming in, coming in, breath is going out, going out, going out, जानते रहे, निरंतरता पूर्वक जानते रहे। सारा ध्यान अपनी नासिका पर, एक एक सांस पर पहरावता रहे, एक एक सांस की पहरेदारी होती रहे, एक भी सांस बिना जानकारी के अंदर जाने ना पाए, एक भी सांस बिना जानकारी के बाहर जाने ना पाए। वेरी अलर्ट, वेरी डिलीजेंट। इफ माइंड वंडर्स अवे, ब्रिंग इट बैक। मन भटक जाए तो फिर वापस ले आए। Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Keeping your eyes closed, sit in a relaxed position with gratitude, remembering all our teachers, all our gurus. Just sit, relax, eyes closed, soaking into the remembrance of all our teachers.
तुम्हीं से ज्ञान का दीपक जला है, तुम्हीं से घन घोर अंधेरा मिटा है। तुम जो नहीं गुरुजी कुछ भी नहीं है। मेरा रास्तों की जरूरत नहीं है, हमें तेरे पैरों के निशान मिल गए। हमें रास्तों की जरूरत नहीं है, हमें तेरे पैरों के निशान मिल गए हैं।
Our mother, father, who took us, one step.
तुम ही हो शिव और ब्रह्म का संगम, सब कुछ तुम्हारा, सब तुमको अर्पण, अब तेरा मैं हूँ, मुझ में ही तू है, हमें रास्तों की जरूरत नहीं है, हमें तेरे पैरों के निशान मिल गए हैं, हमें रास्तों की जरूरत नहीं है, हमें तेरे पैरों के निशान मिल गए हैं।
Every friend, every enemy, every good, bad experience, those who made us what we are today, we thank you to all those experiences, all the people and events who made us what we are today, a better version of ourselves. On this occasion of Guru Purnima, we thank everyone.
छाए जो दिल पे गम का अंधेरा, तन्हाइयों ने जो मन को घेरा, खिलता सवेरा लेकर तू रूबरू है, हमें रास्तों की जरूरत नहीं है, हमें तेरे पैरों के निशान मिल गए हैं, हमें रास्तों की जरूरत नहीं है, हमें तेरे पैरों के निशान मिल गए हैं।
Whenever you feel darkness in your life, whenever you feel lonely, whenever you feel empty, when you seek the company, the Guru will appear in front of you, fulfilling you with everything, taking out the loneliness and the emptiness, filling you with world of joy, blissfulness and peace.
कलियों में तू है, फूलों में तू है, सागर की लहर में भी तू है, कहीं भी मैं जाऊं बस तू ही तू है, हमें रास्तों की जरूरत नहीं है, हमें तेरे पैरों के निशान मिल गए हैं।
Every century there is one Guru, right from Adi Shakti, Adi Yogi, 15,000 years ago. Every century after that, Shankaracharya, Osho, Sai Baba, Gajanan Maharaj, Ramanna Maharishi, Sadguru, Amma Bhagwan, all the pictures you see on the screen, all of them greatest saint, Meera, all these people came in every century to take you forward, to take your pain.
जन जन की सेवा यही मेरी पूजा, सब कुछ रोशन कण कण में तू है, हमें रास्तों की जरूरत नहीं है, हमें तेरे पैरों के निशान मिल गए हैं, हमें रास्तों की जरूरत नहीं है, हमें तेरे पैरों के निशान मिल गए हैं।
Thank you very much for joining this evening. One of the best session on the occasion of Guru Purnima. If you are online, you can say hello, so I can say hi to you. I cannot thank you enough for giving me opportunity. All I am doing is sharing the knowledge and wisdom of all my gurus, who I have been with them for almost 8 years now. And there is not one single guru which I follow. I've been to everyone, right from Sadguru, Ravi Shankar ji, Vipassana Acharya, Goenka ji. And my journey took me to 70,000-80,000 kilometers in each part of India, right from Vivekananda Ashram in Calcutta to the Vipassana Center in Mumbai to down in south in Kanyakumari. I've been blessed to go and spend 8 years of my life in the search of eternal truth. And I bring you that eternal truth and that journey in the convenience of your home. I hope and I pray that everyone in Sydney takes advantage. I am here to be with you, to share that invaluable knowledge which has been passed on from ancient time, from the time of Adi Yogi to Adi Shankaracharya to our recent Sadguru. I am here to share as a messenger of that peace and blissfulness. And unless and until you come up with that pure heart, nothing will work for you. So it's not the teacher who matters. What matters is what kind of bhava, what kind of emotion a student has. If you have that pure heart, you will get everything you are looking for. It doesn't depend on what kind of teacher we get. It depends upon what kind of person. If I am a good person, I will get a good teacher. If I am cunning person, if I am a greedy person, I will get a bogus teacher and bogus guru. Depends upon us. There are different kind of teacher, different kind of gurus. And always remember this one principle. If you are a good person, you will get a good guru. If you are a dodgy person, you will get a dodgy guru. So it doesn't depend on the teacher. It always depends upon the student. And I wish and I pray today on this auspicious day of Guru Purnima 2020 that you may find a real teacher in your life which will brighten your life, not only this lifetime and also not only this side of the life, also that side of life also. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will once more see you tomorrow evening 5:30. We are not here for longer duration. We will be online only for 2 weeks. So try to join every Monday to Thursday, this week and next week. And after that, we start our live session in Westmead 5:30 to 6:30 from 26th of July. And I will open the lines booking very soon. Only 20 people who come first will be able to do, because that's the regulation I have to follow in this time. So as soon as I open the booking lines, please book your session. And every Sunday then we will meet face to face live in Westmead Scout Hall. Till then we will continue next 2 weeks online, and then we'll meet face to face. Thank you so much for joining, and have a wonderful evening. I see you tomorrow evening. And once again, I genuinely thank you for giving me chance and listening to me. It makes me proud and it makes me so humble that I get a chance to serve you. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Good evening. Good night.